Welcome back again, people. They're on the farm again. It has been raining for about 2 days now. My gosh, these mosquitoes. So today we decided we're gonna check in on the farm. I don't have much time here though. I have maybe like an hour and a half. So I'm gonna try and put in some work within that hour and a half at the moment. So guys, today what we'll be doing is I have some pop show sucker that I'm going to be planting today. Maybe I plant some more lettuce. I recently planted some lettuce the other day, and after I planted them, the rain came in. It kind of, I wouldn't say destroy, but it kind of softened them up a bit, So hopefully they don't die, but I mean the root is still intact and everything. So the rain kind of fall heavy. So because of that, it kind of weakened the suckers a bit, but they're still there. I'm going to show you them in a minute, but for today, as I said, we're going to be planting some pop chow. Maybe we plant a little more lettuce. The cucumbers that I planted before, a lot of them are shooting out of the ground. I'm going to show you that also, so that's a good sign. So they're good. So I mean, that's pretty it. Basically, we're just going to plant some pop chow today, maybe some more lettuce. I mean, we don't have much time, but we're going to try what we can do. And I'll just bring you guys along the journey. I hope you all enjoyed the last video. I mean, I see that a lot of you watch the video, you like the video, you comment, I mean, the welcome back is very nice. It's appreciated, So, I mean, I will try and continue to post more from here on out. Yeah, but we're there, guys, and we're going to do some work now. So, forward, we go do some work. Alright, guys, so these are the cucumbers that we planted the other day. They are coming on really nice. As you can see, next one here. I mean, a lot of them are shooting out of the ground. If you come over this side, you see them again. You see? They're actually coming on real good. Look at this. I didn't even see that there was a frog hiding behind here. There's a frog. We'll have a trouble with him, so more. Then I have more. So they're coming on really nice. I'm gonna have to get them sprayed soon because I'm not sure if it's something taking advantage of the leaves, as you can see. So I'm gonna have to put on some chemicals on them soon to get rid of that, because we don't want anything to be eating down these little seedlings so quickly. So here we go again. I mean, they're coming on really nice. And for the lettuce, I'm gonna show you how they looked when I just planted them and how they're looking now. So this is how they're looking now. I mean, they're not destroyed, but they're kind of weakened because the rain was on them so much. But as you can see, I mean, let me show you something. As you can see, these two little leaves, these are the important leaves of the plant. I mean, these was going to eventually die anyways, but these new leaves that are coming in, as you can see, these are the important leaves of the plant. The center leaf right there. So with that intact, I mean, everything is good still. They just need some sun now and a little break from the rain, and they should be good. So hopefully the rain doesn't destroy them too much, because we wouldn't like that. That wouldn't be nice. So We get this little section cleaned up, and we have some pop chow suckers that we have a plant in this bag. As you can see, these are the suckers, the seedlings or suckers, whichever. So I get those. We're going to get those planted out today. Like I said, hopefully we don't come back and damage them too much. So I'll see you talking. We'll get to work now, so stay tuned. Okay everyone, so I got here to there all cleaned. We're gonna put some pop chow now in this part of the land, you know. Pop chow we're gonna put on this side. So you don't know that go. I get the card and we're gonna string up a line them, and then we're gonna plant some pop chow. So stay tuned for that. Alright guys, so here is where we have some more lettuce, and we have some cabbage also, you know. The cabbage I'm not ready to plant as yet because we're not prepare the land or anything yet, and they're still quite small, so we're not ready to plant the cabbage as yet. So what we're gonna do now, you can see some of this got destroyed because of the rain. I mean, they're still good, but I mean, it's just part of it. Well, here are the lettuce, some more lettuce suckers, as you can see, where the rain actually damaged them. But I mean, the bigger ones are still intact. Yeah, so these are the seedlings we have left to plant out. The other from the purple cabbage and sweet peppers also. So we're gonna get some pop chow plant now, so stay tuned for that. Okay guys, so work cut short. The stick that was in the hole break, so I don't have much time to get it started out right now. So I guess I want to sort of pause on the digging for now, and the few little holes that we made, we're going to plant out the rest of pop chow inside. If anything, I'll just use the machete to plant the rest of it. So for now, we're gonna pause on the whole digging. I'm gonna get the pop chow them planted now. So join me as I plant them. Alright, so this is what I did so far, guys, in the hour time. You know, I planted these pop chow. As you can see up there, we have lettuce up there, and then in this little section here we have our cucumbers, as you can see. Yeah, so everything is coming along good, so guys, good so far. I hope it stays that way. As I said, I think these will have to get sprayed soon, because as you can see, the leaves are looking a little bit like something is interfering with them. So we have stuff we are going to use, spray them already. You know, we have what we are going to use, spray them already. So all we're going to do now is wait till, I mean, the rain give an ease maybe during the week, and we're going to get them sprayed so insect don't bother them. So guys, I mean, I've done what I've came to do, and we have some pop chow seedlings left. Same way, but we're not gonna be able to plant them today. So here they are. You know, we're gonna leave them there for our next time when we come back. These planting are really coming along really nice, you know. So soon we're gonna have planting to eat. Yeah. So for now, we're gonna see if we can head to shelter, get ourselves clean up, and then we'll move out. So guys, that's the process of me planting some pop chow, and I showed you guys the cucumber that we planted the other day in the recent video, and then I showed you how the lettuce are. Let me give you a next look on the lettuce. So these are lettuce. Hopefully, as I said, the water don't destroy them. um what I see though, as I said before, I see the main leaf is still there and the root system is really strong, and the main leaf is still there. So if we can get some sun, I mean anytime this week, they will be perfectly fine. So hopefully we get some sun this week, you know. Yeah, and I can't stop looking at these. They're looking so good. The cucumbers, they're looking so good. So you know, we can't wait till these get a bit bigger, and then we're gonna set them up the right way and train them how we want them to grow. Alright guys, so welcome back again to, well, welcome back. You know, as you guys saw, I went out there and I did some work today, and you know, the rain came in. I had to cut it short, the whole break. So but I still I got a chance to do a lot of work still, you know, because I have to go to work by 12, so I didn't have much time there. But I decided I'm going to come and spend at least an hour or two and do something. So I'm all changed and ready for work. So the rain is falling now, so I can't move as yet. So I'm just waiting on the rain to give an ease, and then I can head out. So guys, as I'm saying, I think farming is the way to go right now, considering the high prices of food products in the markets and in supermarkets. You know, the economy makes it so hard for some people to really purchase items from the supermarket, such as onions, sweet peppers, yam, banana, plantain, lettuce, all those stuff, cabbage. It's really expensive. And, you know, the other day I bought a cabbage for about two cabbages for $800. I mean, that's really high. You know, $400 per pound, and that's $800. You know, when you cook cabbage, it shrinks. So to be buying two cabbages for $800, imagine if I had a family of five. You know, two cabbage can't serve for a family of five, and then you're going to need, say, you're not going to eat rice and flour every day. You're going to need, say, yam, banana, pumpkin. I mean, some food, some ground food, and you know, it's really costly. A meal like that is going to cost you about 3,000 going on 4,000, because remember, you have to get scallion, you have to get thyme, you have to get meat nut and cabbage. So you're gonna have to get carrots, sweet pepper, onion, scallion, thyme, all those stuff, including yam, banana, pumpkin, something that you're gonna put with it. So it's really costly. And I mean, even plantain was selling for, say, $300 per finger. I mean, $300 for one plantain, that's really bad, you know. So I believe the government should invest in our local farmers in Jamaica, so we can have food to eat and feed the country. You know, we can't be importing all these stuff, Irish, carrot, all those stuff, when you have so much farmers in Jamaica right now, which you can invest in. The money that you're going to be giving to import stuff, I would advise, why not give it to the farmers so they can get land prepared, buy fertilizers, buy seeds, buy chemicals and so on for those crops, you know, instead of investing. Every day you come and they're saying they just got this billion or that billion to make roads. Roads can't feed the country. I mean, the country needs road, yeah, but that's all I'm seeing from ever since. That all I'm hearing in Jamaica. Roads. This billions to fix road. This millions to fix road. Like road now, that can't really, I wouldn't say can't help the country, but it can't feed the country. Food is the stuff of life, you know. Road can always wait. You can fix roads, but these bag of new roads, they have spent billions, and basically just use those billions and invest back and local farmers in the country so they can feed the country. So food wouldn't have to be so expensive for the poorer class people, you know. So that's the reason why I say, oh, I can't be buying all this stuff for this amount of money. Sweet pepper, 1500 per pound. Lettuce, 1500 per pound. All those stuff, it makes no sense. So I said, yo, I'll just plant my own. So I think everyone, if you have the resources, I think you should invest in farming. If it's even in your backyard, just plant it just to eat. You know, you can save thousands of dollars weekly, because you can go into your backyard and pick a bell pepper, a sweet pepper, you know, and you can go and put that in your pot. You know, if you plant a plantain tree, you can go reap and get planted. So I think that's the economy's problem right now. Food, you know, the costs are really expensive. If you're watching this video, I would like you guys to comment right now and tell me what's the price you pay for your groceries, meaning how much you pay for sweet pepper, how much you pay for cabbage. You buy those stuff, just tell me how much you pay for them so I can have an idea. And for anyone watching this video that have access to seedlings or seeds, I'm going to list my shipping address down below if you're overseas, because I think those things are mostly overseas and they have good quality. So if you have those stuff, I have access to it, or I can get it, I would really appreciate if you get it, and you can send it to my shipping address and I'll get them sold and get them to plant. So if you can do that for me, I'd appreciate it. Shipping address will be down below. If you can't get it, I'll just have to buy it out here. But if you want to support that, you can send it to my PayPal, which will be also listed below. So you know, that's all I'm saying, guys. I think farming should be recognized more in the country. You know, they record that they spend millions of dollars on other stuff, and I'm not hearing they spending millions of dollars on farmers. So I don't understand what's going on, you know. So everyone have to be doing this thing independently, and then now everybody has their own prices. So you can't tell anybody, oh, that's too expensive, because they have to spend thousands of dollars to get the crop to where they are. So I guess that's the reason why they're so expensive. And we can't blame them, because they spend a lot of money, a lot of time and dedication in it. Because I purchased 2 things at the farm store the other day, just 2 items. One was for 5,000 something, and then one was for 3,000 something, and I bought some little fertilizers and so on that I needed to use on the crops. And it was 11,000 plus dollars. You understand? So it is really expensive, and I'm doing a small scale farming. Imagine the people that are doing acres of farming. They are spending a lot of money to get those crops to come in. So that's the reason why things are so expensive. So I really appreciate the government to invest more in farmers and help them more. So the prices of stuff could cut a little bit, you know. But I guess, I don't know if that will happen. We just have to just pick up the pieces on our own and do our own thing, you know. Eat what we grow and grow what we eat. That's how we have to do it now. Understand? So what I'm doing now is I'm doing farming to eat and also to earn a profit from. You know, so hopefully everything works out well. The weather is rainy now, so I hope everything comes and, you know, they don't destroy the rain, don't destroy everything. So I guess that's it for this video, guys. Just remember to like, share, comment and subscribe, and I hope you all enjoy this one, and just stay tuned for the others that's coming. So peace out for now, people.